Urgent. This is easiest way to start a six-figure business. Let AI do everything for you. Imagine this. You speak a few words into your mic. Within minutes you have a professional video, a studio-quality voiceover, a scroll-stopping thumbnail designed, a high-converting product page, a perfectly timed email blast ready to send, and a pro-level demo recorded to close high-ticket clients. And here's the best part. You didn't write, design, record, or code a single thing yourself.
Everything was done in minutes using Advance AI.
A powerhouse dashboard giving you access to 7 premium in-demand AI tools used by million-dollar brands.
Introducing Advance AI.
Your all-in-one AI business builder that helps you create, sell, market, and scale automatically. No tech skills, no expensive freelancers, no monthly fees, just results. This is not just another AI tool. This is a business in a box, Grok AI. Write everything for your business. Ads, sales pages, social captions, emails, and more. 11 Labs. Turn any script into a human-sounding voiceover for YouTube, ads, training, and audiobooks. Midjourney. Generate stunning thumbnails, visuals, and product images from just a keyword. Perfect for social media or product branding. Figma Pro. Design anything, logos, pitch decks, websites, or client creatives with drag-and-drop ease. eBay Seller Suite. Launch and automate product listings using AI. Optimize titles, images, and descriptions for maximum profits. Amazon SES. Send high delivery, high open rate marketing emails. Run campaigns like Amazon Level Pros. Loom Pro. Record tutorials, client demos, and product walkthroughs. Perfect for closing freelance gigs or delivering services.
Why Advance AI works?
While others are wasting time learning editing software or burning cash on freelancers, you'll be closing deals, building brands, and selling services on autopilot. Everything works together. Grok writes it, 11 Labs voices it, Midjourney plus Figma design it, eBay plus SES sell and email it, Loom showcases it. That's how real agencies run. And now you can too. 3 simple steps to start your own AI-powered agency. 1. Pick your tool. Need content, design, voice, video, or email? It's all inside. 2. Let AI do the work. No skill required. Just click, prompt, and watch the magic happen. 3. Sell and scale. Deliver to clients, sell on Fiverr, Upwork, or launch your own brand. Limited time only.
Get lifetime access to Advance AI now. Right now, you can get lifetime access to Advance AI and 7 high-ticket AI tools for a small one-time price.
No subscriptions, no restrictions, and a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't love it. No more juggling tools. This AI suite handles content, design, sales, and branding, so you can focus on getting paid. Ready to launch your own AI-powered business?
Click below to grab Advance AI at the lowest one-time price
and start creating, selling, and scaling with 7 premium AI tools instantly. See you inside.